friends, thank you so much for joining me today. I will be sharing with you a speed cleaning routine that I do. Obviously it's going to be compact, but I do it within an hour and a half. So I make a list of everything that I do and then I go through it as fast as possible. So what it does is that it makes you accountable and you maintain a clean home. The other thing is that the more often you do this, the more your home is always just clean and you don't have to feel overwhelmed. And then maybe one day a week, then you do a complete thorough cleaning. But I'll be sharing with you a couple of times how I do my thorough cleaning and then how I do zonal cleaning, like specialized cleaning in certain areas. And there's one item a day that I specifically look into. Like for example, I can have a list of my quick stuff, but then maybe focus on the study that one day. But I'll share with you, we have a lifetime to share. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you as part of this family. Get the comments going on here or on my Instagram. I'm there all the time. Or if you're a Facebook person, leave me a comment there as well. You can DM me and then I'll also respond to you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. If this is content that you would love to see a lot, share with your friends. I would love for this family to grow. Let's get right into the video. On my list today, I had making the bed, cleaning the toilets, wiping the mirrors, wiping the kitchen counters, daily laundry, unloading the dishwasher, and vacuuming the main areas. So you'll notice all those items, I kind of try to push to do them as perfectly as I can, so that's not just a rush job, but something that's done out of my heart because I would love everyone to enjoy the space. Remember to set a timer. So I set a timer on my cell phone, so I take it around with me in every room just so that I can keep an eye to see how I'm doing. It's good to do speed cleaning 30 minutes or an hour, but then depending on the amount of work that you'd want to do. So in this case, I've chosen 1.5 hours, but it's up to you. Sometimes I do 30 minutes speed cleaning, and it also works as well. It just depends on the amount of work that you need to do. I'm just quickly dusting in my bedroom. Nothing hectic like I would do on a normal cleaning day, but something necessary as people who always have their windows open. As you can tell, I'm starting from my bedroom, making our bed, and then straight into our bathroom. So I try and do a lot of laundry every single day. So I'm just sorting out the laundry, and then on my way out of the bedroom entirely, that's when I'll put the load in whilst I start doing the kitchen. The cloths I'm using are marked, so I'm not using the same cloth for the toilet. I'm not using it for the counters or the mirrors, and same thing applies to the kitchen. My cloths do look the same, but they're marked for each space that they're designated to. So yeah, don't worry about that. On my list today, I had making the bed, cleaning the toilets, wiping the mirrors, wiping the kitchen counters, daily laundry, unloading the dishwasher, and vacuuming the main areas. So you'll notice all those items, I kind of try to push to do them as perfectly as I can, so that's not just a rush job, but something that's done out of my heart, because I would love everyone to enjoy the space. I didn't pick up celery, bread, and eggs over the weekend when I did my weekly groceries. So I picked them up just during the week as we were running low on that. So I'm just clearing that and packing that away and clearing the counter of any food items that might have been left behind. I run a wipe under water and then drop a couple of essential oil droplets on it, and then I just toss it in the microwave for 30 seconds just to soften anything that might be left in the microwave from the previous night, so that it's easy to clean, and then it smells amazing as well. So I prepare that, and then I go after with another wipe and then buffer with the microfiber. One of the other things that I love to do is to use a toothbrush to get into those nicks and crannies that I cannot reach with the cloth. And that's it for my speed cleaning routine. I did all that in 1 hour 30 minutes, and I challenge you to do the same. Thank you so much for taking this journey with me, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.